Connecting rod for diesel engine. Connecting rod is the part used in internal combustion engine. It is used to convert the linear motion of the piston into rotary movement of the crankshaft. The main parts are the connecting rod, the small end bush, bearing brasses, the rod end and the fastening bolts, castle nut and the split spin. The small end bush is removed. The rod end is disassembled by removing the split spin, loosening the castle nut and then removing the bolt. The split brasses are removed from the rod end. Now you are viewing all the parts of the connecting rod assembly.